I think I've already said what I have to say. Tuloy-tuloy lang kung ano naman yung maitutulong namin as local government. Of course, we're doing our own parallel investigations. Ang importante dito, managot ang kailangan managot. Whether they're government officials, contractors, suppliers, politicians, or career officials, importante may managot. Hindi pwedeng pagkatapos ng ilang buwan, tatahimik na lang ang issue, tapos magkakalimutan na tayo. Hindi pwede. Huwag tayong pumayag bilang mga mamamayang Pilipino, bilang government official, bilang ordinaryong mamamayan, bilang media. Huwag tayong pumayag na magkalimutan tayo after 2 months, after 2 years for that matter. Kailangan manatiling buhay yung issue. Kailangan makasuhan yung mga dapat kasuhan. So on our end, we're doing our part. We're doing parallel investigations. We're assisting even national government agencies kung yung kailangan sa amin. Kahapon may isang national government agency na humingi ng mga dokumento sa LGU. So binigay namin kaagad on the same day. So let's all do our part to make sure that the people who are guilty are held accountable.
Mayor, should you
parallel investigation into what agency, what documents?
Yes, yung mga basic muna. Diba, yung mga business permits muna. I'm not sure if they would want me to, baka confidential pa yung investigation nila. So hindi ko muna, sila na lang magsabi. Basta sa amin, nagbibigay kami kung anong mga documents. Public documents naman ito eh.
Mayor, should you be invited to the Senate, are you willing to testify against the Vizcayas kung sakasakali?
Wala namang invitation sa akin sa ngayon.
Pero you will attend kung sakaling papuntahin kayo, sir?
Kahit sino naman po, hindi naman yan kung gusto o hindi. Pag sila nagpatawag, required po yun.
Your comment on what happened yesterday, sir, na mga 12 sasakyan ng mga Vizcaya yung nakumpiska ng Bureau of Customs. So nasa custody ng BOC.
Wala na po akong additional comment, sir. Bahala na po ang customs. Pero ang importante, yung mga infrastructure projects na hindi na maulit. Kasi paulit-ulit na yung nangyayari sa atin eh. Kailangan po matigil na yung mga kalakaran na alam naman natin. Kami sa gobyerno, alam natin nangyayari ito. Kayo sa media, alam nyo nangyayari ito. Kahit ang ordinaryong mamamayan, mulat na eh. Alam na rin nila na totoo yung mga kwento na ano yung SOP, porsentuhan, hatian, alam na natin lahat eh. Kailangan matigil to. So, yun lang naman yung sa akin.
But are you hopeful na may mapapanagot sa Senado ngayon? Or Senate House, whatever investigation, independent probe, are you hopeful that someone, heads will roll?
Well, the good thing about the inquiries in aid of legislation, be it Blue Ribbon Committee of the Senate or TRICOM or any other committee, at least the spotlight is on them. The spotlight are on these contractors, DPWH if needed. But really what's important is that cases are filed, whether with the Ombudsman or with the appropriate courts. So yun talaga yung pinaka-importante dito. So maganda naman yung nangyayari ngayon, at least na pag-uusapan, nakikita. Of course, Senate and the House, they have their powers, pwede sila magsabina ng tao, ng documents. So magandang simula yun, pero sa dulo, importante dito, and what we're trying to help with is that the appropriate cases be filed.
Sorry, records of what projects